Well, g'day curd nerds. Big announcement. I'm making cheese today, of course. But we've just turned on shipping to the USA, Canada and New Zealand for all our cheese making products over at littlegreenworkshops.com.au. So if you've been waiting for international shipping to start again, then pop over to the store, Little Green Workshops, as I mentioned, and you can pick yourself up your cheese making equipment, supplies, and what else? Kits and stuff like that. So the shipping will be via Australia Post, which is our national carrier here in Australia, and I've only turned on Express because, unfortunately, there are still COVID delays with shipping. So even International Express to the United States is taking between 7 and 15 days, so still quite a long time. I want to make sure that those cultures get there intact and they're able to be used by the curd nerds that buy them. Same for New Zealand. I think it's about 5 days express across the Tasman Sea. And because of all the snowstorms in Canada, I think that it's probably going to take between 5 and 15 days express as well. So if the shipping cost looks a little bit expensive, that's because it's express, and I've only got express turned on, International Express. We were going to open up the shipping to the UK and to Europe, but we've just found there are some new tax laws, some sales tax laws. When I sell to those countries, I have to collect sales tax for those countries, for whatever the VAT rate is for each country in the EU and for the UK, and then send all that tax off to the relevant authorities. Now, we're only a small 2-person or 3-person business, and I haven't got the time or the not the inclination, I haven't got the time or the resources to collect sales tax for all those different countries. So that's why at the moment we're just sticking to the USA, Canada and New Zealand. So happy shopping, curd nerds, if you want to pick up stuff from littlegreenworkshops.com.au. Thanks. We'll see you in a video tutorial very soon, which I'm currently making at the moment. See ya.